Welcome to another episode of Prime Time Kitchen. Today we will be making Empanadas Argentinas. An empanada is a type of baked or fried turnover consisting of pastry and filling. Common in Southern European, Latin American and Filipino culture, the name comes from the Spanish verb empanar, translate as embreaded, that is, wrapped or coated in bread. They are made by folding dough over a filling, which may consist of meat, cheese, corn, or other ingredients, and then cooking the resulting turnover either by baking or frying. Argentine empanadas are often served during parties and festivals as a starter or main course. Many shops specialize in freshly made empanadas with many flavors and fillings. And we're going to start with the dough. In a stand mixer bowl, and using a paddle attachment, add in 1 stick of butter. You're going to whisk until fluffy. Then add 1 egg and mix until well combined. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of salt. In a separate bowl, we will add 500 grams or 3 3/4 cups of bread flour. Bread flour is a high protein flour. The high protein content bread flour makes the dough more elastic and light and result in a chewy and airy texture when baked. So after we add the salt, we will start adding in increments of 1/3 of the flour to the bowl, mixing well to combine each time. You're looking for a consistency of grated Parmesan cheese. If you take a small amount in your hand and you squeeze it, it should come together and then fall apart. And that's when you know it's ready. Make sure from time to time you stop the machine and you scrape the sides of the ball. This will allow all the ingredients to be well combined. Now we will switch to a dough hook. We will add half a cup of warm water. We will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now you will start seeing the dough coming together. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of water. At this point you should start seeing the dough cleaning the sides of the ball. Keep mixing until the dough forms a ball and the sides of your mixing bowl is clean. Now take the dough and shape it into a ball and put it in a container, cover it and refrigerate for 2 hours. And now we're gonna work with the filling, and we start with some tricolore peppers. We will also use 1 onion. We will add some olive oil to the pan. Add the onions. We're gonna saute these onions until they turn translucent. Once they're soft and translucent, we can add the peppers. And we're going to saute until all the veggies are softened. Now we're going to start cooking our ground beef. We will add some crushed black pepper. And now we will add the cumin. We'll add some crushed garlic. And remember guys, as always, all the ingredients are in the description below. We will add some pepper flakes. We're also going to add some paprika. We will also be adding some diced olives. We will also add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And we will also add 1 can of tomato sauce. We'll incorporate all the veggies back to the ground beef and stir until all the ingredients are well combined. We will add some chopped parsley or cilantro. Your filling is officially done. Now come on, you know what you're thinking. Who you think you're kidding? This looks amazing. Now we will bring back the dough and we're gonna start dividing it. Now this dough you can divide between 16 and 20. So you can get either 16 or 20 empanada. It all depends how you divide the dough. I went the easy route, so I just did 16. So we're gonna try to shape these guys into small little balls. And then we're gonna repeat the same process. We're gonna take those little balls and we're gonna divide them again. Now don't be limited with this dough. This dough works perfectly with many fillings. You can make it with ham and cheese. You can make it with pulled pork. You can make barbecue chicken. You can make barbecue pork. This dough is very flexible. So let your imagination go wild. So we're gonna start by filling the dough. Now you don't want to overcrowd the dough to leak out of the sides. You're gonna pinch the edges together to seal them. After they are sealed, you're gonna pull, bring it over, push in with your finger, pull, bring it over, push in with your finger and fold. Or you can try this easy method with a fork. Just push down with the fork and you're done. Now you want to have your oven preheated at 400 degrees, and you're going to bake the empanadas for 20 to 30 minutes.